do a lesson on BITUNIX. It's an exchange right now that's being flooded with people signing up for a few reasons. First of all, I've slowed down my trading on BITUNIX. Over time, and I have years of experience doing this, I have 3 crypto trading channels. Over time, exchanges change, whether they get infiltrated with bots or even if they change something in the exchange that makes it harder for you to win. That's what I care about. How easy is it for me and all of my fans to beat when our win ratio goes down and the average guy is struggling and giving up, and he's watched my videos, even the people in my group, and they're not winning at the normal win rate like we should? Something is wrong. It's time to look for other exchanges.
Introverted.hustler said BTC 100x shorts 19%.
This is what we do.
26%, 15% small trades, small wins, building my confidence flexed biceps.
Altcoins and everything else. Now we use 2 exchanges. I linked them below, and I'm going to tell you why BITUNIX. BITUNIX is the first fair exchange I've ever encountered. I removed my BITUNIX link. Now, Bybit is a simple, basic exchange. And down here is my Discord and consultation. Did you know you can watch full-length all my videos on my Twitter without ads? Yeah, it's crazy. From all my channels, I upload them there. Finally, a Twitter with value. So, let's talk about this exchange. KYC and regulations are coming. Some countries, you're not allowed to be rich. They're going to totally block you and ban you. Okay? We looked at exchanges, look at BitGet, look at Bybit. They're all full KYC. In some countries, they don't even want your business. BITUNIX is open to everyone. Now, there's nothing wrong with KYC. I think it's good and it's legitimate. Okay? But the thing to know is that some places you can't KYC, all right? And you're not allowed by the companies, by the exchanges. This exchange, so we have to look for an exchange, one, that's fair and easy to beat, simple to use, instant withdrawals, or relatively instant, like within the hour or so, okay? And a high withdrawal limit without any verification or KYC. Now, we have that with Bybit, okay? But Bybit is rather simple. And there's a link to Bybit below if you want to sign up. You can make up a name. They don't even check. Email, no VPN, nothing. And their charts are simple and easy to use. But this is Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out only. People like these charts, okay? So we can use this as an open tab right next to BITUNIX. And I'll explain why in a minute. Now, $500,000 limit with no registration. Let's go over here to KYC. Let's check this out. Now, there's a little bit of lag, okay? When I did it, all right. All I did, it says a $200,000 limit here, but you could see it's 500,000. All I did was sign up with an email address, a password, and I used 2FA. Okay, now if you want to go for advanced verification and get 500,000 a day, then you can. But this is open to everyone. So let's go to futures. Now, a lot of people are signing up for this, so there's lag. They are aware of it. I actually did a Zoom. Oh my God, what kind of candles are these? All right. I did a Zoom with the founders. These are regular candles. We don't use them. We use Hike and a She. We have our own button right here. Boom. Oh, there's Hike and a She. And they have light mode and dark mode. I had a Zoom with, I don't know, the founders or the corporate people. And I told them, look, you got to hit our button again. Every time you change it, don't hold the default. That's one of the things they're fixing. And they told me, well, here's the deal. I'll just tell you straight. This is an exchange that's easier to beat. If you are struggling, okay, you're on the wrong exchange. BITUNIX has gotten very difficult. The entries, when you exit, you get a really bad price. When you enter, you get a really bad price. Here, that doesn't seem to happen. Here's your cross leverage button up here. It defaults to limit. We always use market. So what do you need to know about the leverage button? Okay, if you're struggling, go down to 75x. 50x is slow. Okay, 125x is too fast. I like 100x. If you're struggling, try 75x. But Incorporate proper wallet management like I teach you. The difference between isolated and cross. Isolated has a fixed liquidation point. Anything with high leverage, you will get wrecked. That's non-forgiving. Cross, it uses up to your entire wallet. You could be down hundreds of percent and come back for the win. All it does is go up and down. My suggestion is 40% of your wallet goes into the trade on cross. This is how I do it. And 60% is left in reserve to protect your trade from being liquidated. It's like AI. I only trade on cross on these type of exchanges. Let's go back to dark mode. Okay, now, again, we have to hit my candles. Check it out. But they are speeding it up. They had such lag here, it would take you forever. You see? Now here's where you set up your time frames. You want the 6 hour, the 1 hour, the 5 minute, the 3 minute, the 1 minute. So if this delay, I don't really use the 5 minute. I use the 6 hour, okay? It tells me indecisive right there. We can zoom, look, grab it, zoom, epic. We go here to the 1 hour. The 1 hour always supports the 6 hour in direction. Oh, looks like we're starting to break to the downside. Look at that. So out of the box, you don't have to adjust the windows or anything. This is easy to use. Now, let's say you want to, they only trade, now look, you can trade all these cryptos, but you got to have USDT. You got to have USDT. What if you only have Bitcoin or something else? You can deposit anything. Assets, let's go over to the deposit page. You'll see some lag. Here you see you can deposit almost anything, 1 inch, any altcoins, whatever. But how do you convert them to USDT? Let me show you. So here's our futures page. Again, let's go to our candles. They're fixing this default. I mean, there's like really cool people behind this that want this to be the first fair crypto exchange where average people can win. If you can't deal with this little tiny bit of lag as you do what we call the drill down, well, use this chart. Use 2 tabs, not 4 monitors, 2 tabs. You can do your drill down here. Well, they have lag today too. Look, do your drill down here, your time frames, and you can enter your trades here. Remember, defaults to limit. So you want to go to market and put in your trade. Now, I'm going to take you to an alien world. Are you ready? This is where you convert your Bitcoin. I might have like $300 in Bitcoin there. Okay, how you convert it to USDT. Simple man's way. All right, and again, it's going to be cheaper than you, or you can use the conversion button in your Exodus wallet. But look, you're a crypto head. You need to understand how to do this. All right, so you're going to go to spot. Check this out. It's crazy. We don't care about the chart. We don't care about nothing. So BTC to USD. I have a little bit of BTC. All right, here's the red sell button. When you sell it, guess what it becomes? USDT, yeah. So we're going to go to market order. Forget everything else. Market order means you want it right now. Okay, 100% of my BTC I want to sell. And now I should have some USDT, order placed, market. Okay, so now, look, I have $394 in USDT now. Now I can transfer that from spot to USDTM. Let me show you how. That's where you trade. So you'll have a transfer page here. Okay, quick transfer up at the top on your asset overview. So you want to go from, look, switch this around, from spot to USDTM, all of it. Okay, and this is going to take me to where I can trade once I hit that button. Okay, so now let's go over to futures. Look, I have $394 in the futures account. Okay, now from here you can withdraw, get an instant withdrawal, but look, again, it defaults to average candles. This is what TA people use. That's why they get wrecked. Hit that button. Use hike and a she all the time. Again, set up here, 6 hour, the 1 hour. Those are the 2 main ones I use. You can put the 5 minute, the 3 minute, and the 1 minute. Okay, and you can leave it on the 3 minute if you want, or the 1 minute. That's up to you. Okay, but again, everybody's signing up for this. Why? It's fair. It's fair. Remember BITUNIX? Years ago, they got in trouble for trading against their customers. Remember Binance had 300 accounts trading against customers? Remember Margex, how I proved that they were robbing you? no matter what you went in, long or short, on the same currency, you'd start off down 31%. How can anyone win? I recognize when there's trouble at an exchange or cheating, okay, by my personal win rate and by the win rate of my traders underneath me, okay, who are crushing it. They call it big tuna, okay, BITUNIX.
Crypto Taipan said BCH shorts on Big Tuna 34%, 41%, 25% for a total of 100% and another 2. Really sweet withdrawals via duct core compounding.
Yep.
Yeah,
yep.
Baby.
This is
Thanks,
great.
Oracle.
Links are below, everyone. That's BITUNIX. Have a great day.